Hello from Not Factory Approved. I decided to up my game today, get all dressed up. No, actually, I happen to be all dressed up. I just thought I'd do this ask while I'm all dressed up. At least not completely grubby anyway. So it's recently come to my attention that the YouTuber has upped their game, their demands, so that they will not monetize anybody unless you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of viewed material. So it used to be 4,500 minutes, and I exceeded that, and now it's dropped off to 0 again for me. So 4,000 hours is not a threshold I ever expect to exceed. So if you would consider moving over to rumble.com to watch these videos, then at least they will monetize immediately. May not be much, but it's a little bit of a help. So if you would consider doing that, I'd appreciate it. If you want to continue with the YouTube, I would be fine with that as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the material I've presented so far, and I will continue doing what I can. Thank you. In the last video I posted, I explained why I have not been posting videos due to a crashed hard disk drive. So I will no doubt be repeating some of the details, but I'll try and be brief. Here's the Jetta after rust repair for the rockers, the front, and this fender. Good thing it's dirty because it doesn't look as bad as it would normally. But this is new metal from about here down. I formed that with a hammer, dolly, and a sandbag. It's a little bit out for gap here, or not gap, sorry, for alignment with the door. You can see the arch is not really acceptable. So all in all, it's really hard to repair thin sheet metal on newer cars, even though this is 20 years old now. So in the paint match, when it was wet, it looked like it was actually quite close, but it dried really dark. So that was a mixture of black and royal blue, just cheap rust paint cover, and so it definitely needs less black than that. And the first mix I did was very light, and it did not dry dark enough. So the grill I have yet to do anything about. I will. The front end damage appears to be pretty good. The problem is that the clear coat from a spray can just doesn't do it for that big a surface. I've done lots of patching with spray cans and it's okay, but I need to buy some clear coat and actually cover it, but I will change the color again before I do that. So this side also had rust in the rocker. That's been repaired. There goes the cat, trying to warm up. So the mud flaps are back on, inner fender lining is back on. I put these, where is it here? There's a rubber there. Put the rubber there, trying to stop the wheel throwing grit up there. That's one area I think that it's a problem for these Jettas. They collect garbage down in here, mud, that rusts everything. So it's no cream puff, it runs great. It's reliable transportation. It's cheap at this point until our beautiful leader has his way with diesel fuel. No doubt he'll keep punishing us for that, but there it is. It's the one we use the most. The pickup truck has its purpose. We really enjoy it, but it's a lot, well, it's at least twice as expensive to run for fuel. But the last trip we made to Minnesota, we were glad we had it. The four-wheel drive coming home, the roads were terrible. And this would have meant a couple days in hotels with the Jetta. So sometimes things just work out. Thanks for watching. I hope this has helped. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, or even notify, or any of the above, or all of the above. Thank you.